Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup video with a set of 20x10 red dirt road dirts, also known as an RD01, in a flat black finish, and some 35x1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. Now these Radar tires, they're made by OmniSource. They are a great entry-level tire. They are not the best tire, but for the price, you can't really beat them. They ride good. They're made by OmniSource. OmniSource is not a sketchy company, so you know who you're dealing with. It's not some super off-brand tire. With that being said, moving over to the wheels, they're offered in a 17, 18, 20x9, a 20x10, a 20x12, and a 22x10. They're offered in 5, 6, and 8 lugs, and anything from a -12, 0, -24mm offset, -44mm offset, and a +12mm offset. These wheels come in a chrome, black and machined, and an all black finish. This is a all black finish. A black and machine will have silver on these windows, a machined window. It is a 20x10 with a -24mm offset, so you've got a little bit of a lip. You've got roughly 3.5 inches, which is more than what a typical 20x10 would have. Typical 20x10 would have about 3 inches, but these spokes go back into the lip. So it helps to get you a little bit more of an aggressive lip if that's what you're going for. Besides that, the tires balance well for a 35-inch tire. They don't balance great, they ride good. Again, it's a pretty chunky mud terrain tire, so for 2018, they're on par for the course. If the last time you were riding around with a mud terrain tire was 1998, you're gonna think they're the best riding mud terrain tires you've ever ridden in. So, with that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.